Okay, now we have a vocabulary that has a lot more options on it, and WordFinder is going to be in a different place on this vocabulary overlay. So last time we went into pages to find WordFinder if it's not in the pages section, and if your student's vocabulary has a keyboard on the home screen, then we're going to try the keyboard area. So we're always going to look for a bright purple icon to find the word finder, which is over here on the right this time. And now we're going to do the same thing, type in the word dog and hit search. And here we go. So this vocabulary has dog in 2 different locations. So we are going to do the first one and hit guide me, and it's going to walk us through all the steps to find our word again. And I always encourage everyone to try it again without the help to see if we can still find it. So that is one of the most helpful features for both students and teachers. Some of our students know how to use it on their own, but I really encourage every teacher and paraprofessional and therapist to know at least how to use the word finder feature, because that can really help and save you a lot of time.